I really wanted to start my food business in Australia, but it was not easy. I had to go through local councils, state food regulations, and on the top of that, all other federal rules and regulations. It was just another form, another approval, and another fee away. Instead of focusing on the customers and the food, I had was caught in the red tape. In the end, it was too daunting for me.
So now let's introduce the Red Tape Navigator, which is embedded inside of our GovNav app. As you have seen, Australia's regulatory environment is complex. 82% of small businesses say that compliance is a major burden. In fact, 50 hours is spent per week trying to fix those compliance issues. And around 50,000 AED is spent per year trying to fix the same compliance issues. And there exists no single user-friendly platform that can summarize those regulations for you. So now meet the Navigator embedded inside of GovNav. This Navigator is meant to be a one-stop compliance navigator where you can search any industry or activity and see all the relevant rules, mapping rules across the different jurisdictions, that is local, state, and federal levels. It will provide a user-friendly interaction and will show exactly who regulates what. Now, enough of talking, and let's get into some demo time. So now let's say that the same gentleman wanted to open a food business in New South Wales. He can search food business in New South Wales, and that will give him a breakdown of all the regulatory rules between the local government, the state government, and the federal government, as well as a step-by-step breakdown of what he has to follow in order to meet all the compliances across the jurisdictions. And he can inspect and see his progress bar for each compliances that he has to meet. So for example here, we have the health inspection. And if we click on details here, this gives us more information about what he has to do. And it gives a one-liner summary of the specific regulation. Now, let's say that the food business has overlapping and conflicting compliance issues. This will list the jurisdiction between which the compliance issue happens, and also a resolve button that he can click on, and this will give him a detailed action plan of what he has to do to ensure that this conflict is resolved. While every measure has been taken to make sure that the AI generated text that we get back from the AI model is up and comply to the standards stated by the data.gov.au, we do tell the user with full transparency that this is an AI generated guidance and that they need to verify important details with the official sources. We also provide the sources that they can go into and then find the relevant details.